Hello and welcome to Mark and Kelly's Trips, Tips and Things. Today our plans are we're going to go to an outdoor cinema, so I hope the weather holds up and we'll be vlogging that as well. But I just wanted to show you how I'm starting my day. Mark has made me a lovely breakfast in bed. So we've got some back bacon here, some hash browns, some scrambled egg and caramelized onion sausages. I can't wait to tuck into this. I won't be able to finish it all, but it's definitely a feast for the eyes. So here we are. As I said at breakfast, we are coming to the outdoor cinema and food festival. We're coming to watch Grease.
We are. Now, this is a major step up from when we came last time before. As you can see here, they've got the park benches, which they never had before because it's at the other end of the park. Plus as well, you've got all these eateries. I will take you around so you can show these.
Oh yes, oh okay.
But what I was going to say, we never had this before. Before, Kelly and I just bought deck chairs. We sat down, everybody had bought picnic baskets. So this time we bought a picnic, but we realised you didn't need to now because there's so many eateries.
Yeah.
I will take you around and show, and as you can see, the cinema screen is just there.
So it seems that we're far, but we're really not. We found a good spot, and as you can see, we have all our things set up. We even bought rain mats just in case. But as you can see, we've got our picnic basket there. I bought a bag full of food, which is just by Mark. And yeah, we're gonna sit down and we're on our camping chairs. So you can see I'm on a chair, Mark's on a chair, and Mark bought these and they were good.
Morrison's finest. Thank you, Morrison's.
Yeah.
About 4 years ago, so they've lasted well.
They have lasted well, and we got them because when we came to the first picnic, we bought our garden chairs, didn't we?
Right.
And then we thought, do you know what, we need camping chairs.
That was a nightmare to carry. They're solid big chairs. I was carrying them around everywhere. Not again. But there you go, we've got the chairs. I will take you around in just a minute. So this is the food you can have. You've got the T-Dog, which is hot dogs. You have Indian street food. You can see the queues are big. There's the Indian street food. If you fancy something a little bit, nobody's at the Tapio. I don't know why that is cart. So the Tapio cart is doing signature iced teas, which looks quite nice. You've got the bar right there. The Toasties barista and coffee. There's the barbecue and vegan fast food. We've also got the fresh artisan pasta. You've got brownies, the coffee place. So you go and get your coffee and your brownie in one go. Mr. Pig Stuff, which I'm assuming is bacon. We've got the another pop-up bar right here. And Lil One, authentic food. So there you go. Oh, I think I might do for a coffee.
We're setting up our picnic, and I bought a little drink for us. So Mark's just gonna pop that now. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's good. Good job you opened it on the grass. Tilt the glass. There you go. See, we've got all our bits and pieces there. I've got my little plate there. And Mark's just handed me this. There we go. Oh, it's balancing precariously right there. But we're going to cheers and then we're going to enjoy a drink together. Here we go. Cheers. Cheers. So we're just watching the adverts before the film starts, and Mark has gone to get us some hot chocolate with cream and marshmallow on mine, and he's gone to get us popcorn. He's been gone for a while now, so yeah, I hope he comes back soon. Not long until the film starts. Here we go, it's the Grease sing-along and it's about to start. Mark, unfortunately, is still queuing for hot chocolate and popcorn. But he did just call me, so hopefully he's only going to be a few more minutes.
The best summer of my life, and now I have to go away. It isn't fair. Was this the end?
Of course not. It's only the beginning.